Hi friends, today we discuss the carboxylic acid and their derivatives. This is a lecture number 12. In previous lecture we discussed some derivatives of carboxylic acids. Now in today's lecture we will start the remaining part of carboxylic acid and their derivatives. First we discuss the comparative study of nucleophilicity of acyl derivatives. Friends, we know that the nucleophile is an electron-rich species. And the nucleophile is an electron-rich species, therefore it is an attacking species. That means nucleophile is attack on the electron-deficient species. If you see the general reaction, here this is a structure of carbonyl compound, C double bond O, here a delta plus and here a delta minus. Now the carbonyl group, it consists of a carbon oxygen double bond. Here the double bond is a polar due to there is a difference in the electronegativity of the carbon and oxygen. Here oxygen is more electronegative, therefore delta minus, and carbon is less electronegative as compared to oxygen, therefore delta plus. That means this is the electron deficient carbon and here electron rich. Now if we see here R C double bond O, okay, and if we add the nucleophile, that means the nucleophile is attack on this carbonyl carbon, and here departure of this Y, and here the addition of the nucleophile will be take place. That means the nucleophile is the electron rich species is attack on electron deficient species. Now here this is a carbonyl carbon. Okay, now if we delocalize this one here, or if we a polarization of this carbonyl group, here this bond will be shift here. That means here a delta plus, here delta minus, and after here resonating this one here plus charge and here minus charge. The carbonyl group of this carbon oxygen, a double bond, the bond is polarized toward the oxygen such that the oxygen is partially negative and carbon partially positive. Here this bond is polarized toward the oxygen such that the oxygen is more electronegative. We show the this arrow in this way because the oxygen is more electronegative and carbon is partially positive. Here oxygen bears two lone pairs, and here the geometry of the carbonyl carbon is a trigonal planar, and carbon it having the sp2 hybridides. Now this way, that means this is excellent electrophile. This carbonyl carbon is excellent electrophile, while this O minus is an better nucleophile. Now it is a very important to appreciate the second best resonance form of the carbonyl group. The heteroatom substituted carbonyl group is a resonance active or delocalized pi system. Here, if here X is equal to suppose in heteroatom, at that time the delocalization is very efficient, or this invalid it will be the more reactive. Now the nucleophilic acyl substitution, if we see the actual mechanism of this nucleophilic substitution reaction, here the addition of nucleophile, that means this is Nu, that means here nucleophile, the addition of nucleophile to the carbonyl group occurs yielding a tetrahedral geometry. We get the tetrahedral intermediate. That means in first step when the nucleophile is attack on this carbonyl carbon, here it become O minus, okay, and here we get the a tetrahedral intermediate. Now in next step, this is the tetrahedral intermediate. In second step, the electron pair from the oxygen is displace the leaving group, and that means here departure of this leaving group and generating a new carbonyl compound as a product. That means here in these steps, here O minus it will be delocalized here, and here departure of this good leaving group, and here we get a new carbonyl compound as the product. Here Y is a leaving group, that means this one Y is a leaving group. Okay, it may be the OR, NR2 or Cl minus. Now the nucleophilic attack on carbon is facilitated by the two factors. First one is the electronic factor and second one is the steric factor. The electronic factor, it is related to the delocalization of a pi bond. That means here delocalization of this pi bond on the carbonyl carbon, it facilitates the attack of nucleophile onto electron deficient carbon of the carbonyl group, and the oxygen is being electronegative. It can stabilize the negative charge on it. This is the most important factor, electronic factor. That means delocalization of pi electron or the delocalization of this pi bond on carbonyl, it accelerates the rate of reaction. Second is the steric factor. That means all four atoms, including the central atom of the carbon atom in the acyl compound, is lie in a single plane. If we show this one here, lie in a single plane. Here the carbonyl carbon is sp2 hybridized and can attack easily by nucleophile from the both side. That means this carbonyl carbon is a trigonal plane, therefore both side attack is possible. That means from the side below the plane of the molecule and from the front side of, that is above the plane of the molecule. This carbonyl carbon is a trigonal planar. Here both side attack is possible. That means from this direction or from this direction. Because this carbonyl carbon is a trigonal planar, therefore both side attack is possible. And this is a two most important factor, that is electronic factor and the steric factor. The electronic factor, that means delocalization of a pi bond and to a carbonyl oxygen, it accelerates the rate of reaction. Now the second is the steric factor. This is the most important to determine the rate of reaction. So friend, never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.